So far 10 students have submitted the assignment, and okay. So in the last lecture we looked at some basic stuff about this Java class. As you all know, so normally in Java, object is defined by a class. uh, Basically Java class is the blueprint of an object. So the Java class uses a method to define the behaviors of that object. So later we are going to study the method, and what are the actions, and what are the behaviors of an object, of an method. Okay, a class represent a concept. Basically a class represent a concept, and an object represent the picture of that concept. An object represent the picture of that concept. Multiple object can be created from the same class. So let's say if it is a from one class, multiple object can be created. So let's say if the student is the class, from that class object like undergraduate students, postgraduate students, and diploma holders, and certificate level students. So these are some of the type of object can be created from a student class. Student class. Okay. The class that contain the main method of a Java program represent the entire program. So a class that contain the main method of a Java program represent the entire program. Okay, we will study a little later how a program can be, the method can be used in this Java program. Here the object, an object has two uh, elements. One is state, the second one is hello, hello,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Can you
Yes,
able to see
sir.
my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Object has two elements. One is state. State being kind of a descriptive characteristic or attributes of an object. And the second element is behavior. So basically behaviors, what it can do. So some functionalities, some actions. So state and behaviors are belongs to object. The state of a bank account include its account number and its current balance. So some of the attributes or some of the characteristic of an bank account are like the account number and the current balance, and these are some of the attributes or the type of account, saving account or current account or any other deposit account. So these are some of the characteristic or some of the attributes of an bank account. The behaviors associated with a bank account include some of the actions. So some of the abilities to make deposit and withdrawals. So let's say from the bank account we can do some sort of actions like withdrawals, deposit, transfer. So these are some of the actions. So we call it behaviors. The behaviors of an object might change its state. Let's say if the account holder deposit the amount or deposit the money to this account, the bank account, the the behavior or the action of this particular what do you call this account holder change its bank account state. So let's say when he deposit the money, they out the remaining money. I mean the outstanding balance or the remaining money or the balance in the account will be increased. The same time, when the when we are doing the when the account holder withdraw the money from the particular account, the amount will be reduced, the balance will be reduced. So the descriptive characteristic, as we mentioned already, like the account balance. Now from this action, the state, the behavior of an object, I mean the deposit or withdrawal, can alter or change its state. Got my point? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
next slide. Can you see this slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is on my slide?
Objects and classes.
Okay. So now we are going to distinguish the object and classes with more example. An object is a program construct. Object is a program construct. So let's say if you take any Java program, so there are several objects in that program. Object is a program construct. It contains data and it performs some sort of action. So object contains some sort of data. So previously we looked at object has two elements like state and behavior. Basically, state refers some of the attributes or characteristics, and behaviors refers some of the actions. Object interact to solve problems. Can you please wait for a while? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you able to see my screen? Can you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So object interact to solve problems. So when you take any Java program, there are several objects in a Java program, and these objects tend to solve the problems in that particular Java program. Actions performed by object are defined by methods. So basically, so as I mentioned earlier, so object has two elements. One is state and second one is behavior. So basically, behaviors are performed. Behaviors, some actions are performed in the behavior. So these actions are performed by using a method. By using a methods. Okay. Later, I'm going to discuss with you what is a method. Okay, a class is a kind of object. A class is a kind of object. A a class definition is a general description of what the object is and what it can do. So basically, what is its state and what can be performed by this behavior or a method. So for example, person is a class. A person is a class. A person is a class, and the object comes under this class can be Alice and Bob. So these are two person, these Alice and Bob. These are two people or two person can be created from this particular uh, class. So Alice and Bob are object of that person class. So another example from this, in your right hand side, you can look at another example. So a class is the automobile. A class is the automobile. Class name is the automobile. Class is the automobile. So the class name is the automobile. So data for this class automobile, the data, some of the data belongs to this object or class. Model, automobile vehicle model, manufacturing year, fuel level, speed, mileage. So these are some of the characteristics. So this characteristic can have some data. You got my point. The model, the year, manufacturing year, fuel level, speed, mileage. So these are some of the characteristic of that automobile. Method or actions. So as you all know, behaviors can perform some actions, and these actions are basically in Java performed by using method. So these are some of the method. Forward, so vehicle can forward, run, I mean run forward, and backward, it can reverse, so go forward, go backward. Accelerate mean speed up, accelerate. Deaccelerate, decelerate. Get fuel level, so we can measure the fuel level. Get the speed, we can measure the speed. Get mileage, so we can measure the mileage, number of kilometers or miles the particular vehicle traveled. So these are some of the method, some of the actions can be performed for this automobile. You got my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So let's move into this next slide. So here you look at this slide. There you can find some more example for this class and object. Class name is automobile. Some of the data or characteristics from this automobile: amount of fuel, speed, license plate. So these are some of the data. Method, actions, basically it can be behaviors of an object. Increase speed, so if they want to increase the speed, press on the gas pedal and stop. So if they want to stop the vehicle, press on brake pedal. So these are some of the actions. So in Java, so these actions can be programmed by using a method. So the rest of the example you can find it when I upload this slide. Okay, packages. Now we will discuss about something from these packages. So now we looked at class and object packages. It provides a mechanism for grouping related classes. So package basically provide a mechanism or the grouping mechanism for related classes. So here you have to emphasize some of the terminologies. It is a kind of mechanism for grouping related classes. So what is a package? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the package?
Collections of classes.
Collection of
Classes.
related classes. You have to highlight the related. So it is a kind of mechanism. It's a way of organizing or grouping related classes. It's called package, because in Java there are several packages are there. In Java there are several packages are there. So each and every package is grouping or organizing the related classes. Okay, a little later I'm going to introduce various kind of packages. So package statement indicate a class is part of a package because package consists the related classes. So class is a part of package. You got the point? Package consists or package hold variety of related classes. So class is the part of a package. You got the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Java assumes all classes in a particular package are contained in same directory. So the Java program assume all classes in a particular package are contained in same directory. So package are systematically organized. Sorry, the classes are systematically organized under packages. Java APIs, application program interface, consists of many predefined packages. So Java APIs consist of many predefined packages. So basically API is the collection of packages. API is the collection of Java packages. So Java collection of Java packages are comes under API. Okay. To use the package, you have to use the keyword import statement. Import. It allows you to use classes contained in other packages. Okay, when you are dealing with this package in this Java program, you will understand how to use these packages. Package java.lang is the root class. Root package is simply simplicity imported to all Java code. Java.lang is the root class, root package. So it consists all the Java packages. Packages enable grouping together multiple related classes. We have already discussed that one. Specify a class to be part of a package with first line. So the package can be created. So these are some of the place all classes in same directory, which is named with the name of the package. So place all classes in same directory, which is named with the name of the package. So in your program, which uses the package, import my stuff dot asterisk and semicolon. So it means from the my stuff package, all the classes will be imported for this particular program. Okay, if you import any package, so you will type import keyword and your package name, and when you put this dot, full stop, and asterisk and semicolon, it refers from your package, from your defined package. I mean, in this example, my stuff is the package name. From that my stuff package, all the classes will be imported for that particular Java program. Okay, when we are doing the example, or when we are doing these exercises for this Java program, you will understand. So the meaning of this dot and asterisk and semicolon. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the construct. Construct. Okay, a construct is a piece of code that construct or it create a new object of that class. Basically, construct is a piece of code or it creates a new object of that class. Okay, if you don't write a construct for your Java program, Java automatically defines one constructor for your program. Okay, you can write your own constructors. Otherwise, you can write your own constructors. Example, here look at the example, class dog. Java class name is dog. And the class is the dog. some characteristic. I mean, you are declaring some variables string by using data types, and you are declaring some variables here. String name, so name should be a string. String is the data type, and name is the variable name. Int is the data type, age is the variable name. And here you see doc doc within bracket string n int age. So here they are defining some values in string n, because this variable is already defined. Int age and name is equal n. Now they are assigning the value. Name is equal n, age is this dot age equal age. So look at this example. So the constructor is created, and for that constructor they are assigning some values for the declared variable, and constructor has the same name as the class and no return type. So the class name and the constructor has the same name. It has the same name as the class has. So in this example, the class name is the dog, the constructor also dog. It executed only when an object is created. So the constructor is executed when the object is created. A class can contain multiple constructors. So in this example, the dog class can be created with the same dog. I mean the class name dog. Multiple constructors can be created. Multiple constructors can be created. Okay, I have example to discuss this one. So a little later you will understand. What the point? Constructor. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Got the point? Shall we move?
Okay, sir.
Shall we move?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will discuss about the method. So in Java program, without method, you cannot perform any actions. So you cannot run or you cannot execute your program. So method is very much essential, and there are several type of methods available in Java program. It used to implement operations. So basically the Java methods are used to implement operations. So some actions, to perform some actions. It should perform one well-defined task. So it should perform one well-defined task. Most of you, I think you might observe in Java program, so the system.out.println. So basically we have applied this one in our previous exercises also. So system.out.println is the method to print the message. We use it. Okay, it is a method, a collection of statements that perform a sequence of operation to display a message on the console. You know, console is the area in which the output is displayed, and the system.out.println is the method which uses to print the message. So basically, it is a collection of statements that perform a sequence of operation to display a message on the console. It is used by calling a statement with a string argument. The string argument is enclosed with parentheses. So basically, system.out.println, if you want to print any string messages, you have to put your string message within the parentheses. Parentheses mean the string argument is enclosed within parentheses. So bracket. So with a quote should be type. In this case, the argument is welcome to Java. You see, so text message, a string, the welcome to Java. You can call this same print line method with a different argument to print a different message. So instead of this welcome to Java, you may write any other different message to print in your program. The main method. The main method provides the control of program flow. The Java interpreter execute the application by calling the main method. The name of the method which the Java interpreter will execute first, and the main method must be declared to be public and static. Public, static, void, string arg, likewise. So the main method look like this. So at the bottom you can find in a violet color text public, static, void, main, string, arg, and remaining goes. So here you see public, the main method, the keyword public, static, void, main. It's a main method. So it is mentioned here, public, static, void, main, string, args. It is a predefined main method. The modifier public means that the method is accessible from any other classes. So since it is a main, so this method can be accessible in any other classes. So as you all know, Java is an object-oriented programming language. So one of the greatest functionality of this object-oriented programming is reusability. So when you are defining your method by using the main method, so this main method can be called or it can be used in any other classes. So the modifier public means that the method is accessible from any other classes. The modifier static means that the method is associated with the class rather than any object of the class. So it has some restrictions. Static methods are also known as the class method. Static methods are also known as the class method. The main method accepts an array of string of characters which are the command line argument to the program when it is interpreted. The result of executing the main method is declared to be void because it does not return a result such as an integer or a boolean or a string. So here is an example. The main method look like this: public, static, void, main, string, arg. So the string message will be displayed. So you will understand when you create your own Java program. And from our previous example, and I hope that for your assignment also, individual assignment also, you tick that when you create a class or when you create a class, you have to check that public, static, main, string, void, arg. So that checkbox you have to check it to print your messages. Okay. Look at this diagram for this program. So this picture, this diagram shows that how these Java programs are organized or grouped. So when you take this Java program as a whole, inside this Java program, there are files are there. Java files are there. So inside that files, Java classes are there. Classes have variables. So basically, variables mean variables are declared. So some variables are declared with data types, variable name, and variable has some values. And class has constructors. Class has constructors. So constructor has variables and statements. Class has method to perform some actions or some activities, to perform some actions. So method has variables and statements. So likewise, in a Java program, similar to this file, there are several Java files are there. So Java file consists class consists of variables and constructors and method. So in a single Java program, there are a number of Java files. Each and every Java file has class and inside that class, variables, constructors, and methods are included. A program consists of one or more classes. A file can consist one or more classes. Typically, each class is a separate Java file. Each class is the separate Java file. So you serve Java file with a .java file extension. You got my point? Hello? 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 Hello?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move to next slide?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's look at some example. I mean, work with some example. Go to this Eclipse, open the Eclipse. Now we are going to uh, create some example. So let me share my okay. Can you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is on my screen? What is on my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is on my screen?
Constructor, object, and Java classes, practical 3.
Sorry?
Practical number 3, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
So what is on my screen?
Objects and Java classes.
There's that constructor.
I read it, but I think with connection problem, you didn't hear, sir.
Okay. So this is the first example we are going to try. So here, look at this example. First, we have to execute this one. After that, I'll uh, explain you. Go to this Eclipse and create a package. So in my case, I have created a package called LabSeat1 and create a class. My class name is student and public student string name system.out.println. When you create your class, you have to tick this object public static void main string arg and system.out.println. My student name is, I am calling the name. For the name, public static void main string arg. For the constructor student, so my constructor object is created postgraduate student. I have created postgraduate student and new student. From the new object, from the class, the object is created postgraduate students, and I assign the name for that object. the newly created object, I have assigned the name. And system.out.println, it will display my student name. So in this case, package name is LabSheet1, class name is student. The constructor is created with the same class name. So student, public student, string name, because string name mean string type of data. So data type is string. So name, for the name, the data type is string. And the public static void main string arg, this is the main method. And students, from the constructor I have created object is student, postgraduate students, postgraduate student equal new students. From the class I have created the student object, and for that object I have assigned the string name. I mean, the name is for this postgraduate students, string type of data, Michael Johnson. You got my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you finish it, can you please show your output? Show me the output. Can you show me the output? Hello? Hello?
Sir, doing, sir.
Okay. Submission. So I'm not going to entertain any late submissions. So don't try to communicate or try to inform any other messages regarding this assignment submission. The deadline is deadline. So I'm not going to accept any more assignment. Anyone completed? Anyone completed? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah?
The first code one, no?
Yeah, first one, only the first one.
Yeah, I did. Shall I share?
Yeah, sure.
So it says disable to share, sir.
Now?
Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Shall I stop sharing, sir?
Wait, wait, wait. What is that yellow color warning?
I also get this, sir.
Huh?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Place your cursor on that nearby that yellow color one and try to understand what does it mean. What it says.
It not used, sir.
Sorry?
The value was not used before.
Okay. So close your stop your sharing. Let others to share it. Any others?
Sir, I also have the same issue.
Okay, no problem. Show your output.
Is it visible, sir?
It's visible. Okay, wait a minute. Now I'm going to ask the question. So here you see the system.output print line. My student name is, you type it now. What is this my student name is?
It's come with the output, sir.
Okay. What is that a name? The same
Sir?
same line. I mean, my student's name is.
Name is the we at the new student we at the Michael John.
Yeah.
So it come after the my student name after because it we add that value for name.
So which name you are referring? The plus name. I mean, I'm referring the plus name. Which name are you referring? That name.
It's uh, it's Michael John. Sir. Yeah.
Huh?
we declare variable that as name,
Sorry?
string variable.
Sorry?
First we add the variables name string name.
So this is the variable.
After we add the value for variable as Michael John, so it's come with the my student name is.
Sorry?
Sir,
Sorry? What?
we declare a variable name is a string variable.
Yeah.
We give it a name Michael John.
Hmm.
So in the output, it come with my student name is John Michael because
Hmm.
name we add to Michael John.
Hmm.
It's right, sir, right? Okay.
Okay. Stop your sharing.
Next,
Let others
okay.
to show the output. Others? Any others? Hello? 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 Shakika,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
You have to reply now. I'm only speaking.
Sir, I was waiting to someone share their screen, sir.
Anyone? Okay. Stop your sharing. MIT 63. MIT 63.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you show your output?
Okay, sir.
Where's the output? Okay, close it. MIT 70. MIT 70. MIT.
Begums in our lectures.
No, okay, but MIT 70 is belongs to one person now.
Yes, sir.
Who's this MIT 70? Hello? Who's this? Hello? Hello? Who's this? Hello? $70?
Hello.
Who's this?
Sir, my connection was going and coming out, sir. Sorry, sir.
Are you connected with the mobile phone or laptop?
No, sir, I'm connected with laptop.
So did you
Wait,
submit
sir, I'll share my screen.
did you
What?
submit the assignment today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Show your screen.
Wait a second, sir. Sir, can you able to see my screen? Hello?
I was calling you for a long time, but you didn't reply, no?
Sorry, sir, my poor connection, sir. Sorry.
So what are the content we did discuss today? Tell me.
Constructor, object, method.
What is constructor?
Construct.
Sorry?
Wait, sir.
Hello? Are you in the home or somewhere else?
No, sir, I'm at home, sir.
Okay, show your video then.
Sir, really, I'm at home, sir.
Okay, show
My
your video
connection
then.
is so poor, sir. That's what I couldn't hear you clearly.
Show your video then. If you are at home, show your video then.
Please, sir, give me a chance. I'm at home, sir, right now. I shared my
No.
screen,
You
sir.
are wasting our time. No, I'm calling for a long time, but you didn't reply. Others are waiting in the queue.
So I'm sorry, sir. My connection was
Okay.
so poor.
Show your video then.
Sir, I'm at home, sir. Right now, I can't. Please, sir.
Okay. Leave from the session.
So please, sir.
Okay. Stop your sharing. Let others to share it. You people are wasting the time now. Stop your sharing.
Okay,
Others,
sir.
show your output. MIT 16. Stop your
Hello,
sharing.
sir. I am MIT 18, sir.
Okay. Stop your sharing. MIT 20. MIT 20.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Where's output?
Okay, sir. I'll show you. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
No, I couldn't see your screen.
Now, okay, sir.
Yeah, now okay. Stop your sharing.
Okay, sir.
MIT 91.
Hello, sir.
MIT 91.
Yes, sir.
MIT 20. Stop your sharing. 90, 91.
Yes, sir. I have shared.
Okay. Who's this?
Shahika.
Okay. Sorry. 49. MIT 49. Okay, so I'm going to discuss the second example. Second one is what you call the local variable. Can you able to see my screen? Hello? Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is on my screen? Okay, try this example. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Try this example. So my package name is LabSheet1. So in this inside this package, I have created one class, Java class, the local variable, and public void. I'm defining variables, public void age, and int is the data type, age is the uh, name of that variable, and I have assigned the value for that variable by using system.out.println. So I'm going to print the age. So age is as the text variable. I mean string variable, string type of data. Age is, and I'm calling the previously my variable. I'm calling the name variable, and its value will be printed. So public static void main string arg, the main method. The local variable is my class name. So I'm creating a new class, new object from that class, my local v equal, my object name is my local v is my object, and the new local variable is my class name. So by using new keyword, I'm creating a new object. So my local v dot age. So here, hello, is it visible? Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
show me the output.
So shall I share my screen, sir?
Sure, sure.
Already someone has shared.
I'm showing some of your art I've been submitted assignment. Some of the students just put a screenshot without any index number or registration number. Then how can I put the marks? Okay, share screen.
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah. Stop your sharing and let others to share it.
Sir, can you see my screen? Sir, can you see my screen?
Sorry?
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Stop sharing. Stop
Sir,
sharing.
can I?
Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? MIT 78. 78.
Yes, sir.
Show me the output.
Sir. Hello. Hello,
Show me the
sir.
output.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Sir,
This
doing,
is
sir.
no, this is the previous one, no?
Yes, sir. Wait. I couldn't. Sir, can I do it and again?
No, no. Open that local variable.
Okay, sir.
That's output.
Doing,
Huh?
sir. Wait.
Okay. Stop your sharing and you have to show me the output, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. What you are doing now? Are you at the class or you are questioning with your mom?
No, sir, no. I'm doing.
Then where are you now? Others are showing the output now.
Yeah, sir. Suddenly charge,
Suddenly
low
charge?
battery, sir. Laptop charge was
Yeah.
low. That's why I took time. I did all practical, sir.
Any others?
Sir,
Yeah.
my screen is audible, sir.
How it can be audible?
Okay, sir.
Who's this?
19, sir. 019.
Okay. Stop your sharing. Okay. Next example. So here, the third example, I have created a class under my Java package called Lebseed1. So my class name is employee, and a private
Excuse
static
me, sir.
double. I mean private static. The previous one is
Sir,
that is also the private
sir,
class.
your screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible. Wait. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is visible.
sir.
Okay. So under my package LabSheet1, I have created one class called employee. My class name is employee. Private static. So previously we looked at public static. Now private static. Private static. So my variable data type is a double, and the variable name is salary. So double salary. So don't confuse. Double is the data type and salary is the variable name. Public static final string department equal MIT. So here public static final string department equal MIT. Department equal MIT. Public static void main string arg. You have to tick this main method when you are creating your Java class, and I'm assigning the value for the variable salary is equal 50,000. So salary is equal 50,000, and my variable data type is a double, variable name is salary, and I'm assigning the value for this variable by using system.out.println. System.out.println. So look at this message. I mean department. I'm preferring my department plus employee salary, since it is a string message. So I put it in the double quote employee salary, and again I'm calling the salary, the variable salary. So the output will be MIT employee salary 50,000. So the department is equal MIT. So MIT will be plus employee salary. So let's say department employee salary MIT department employee salary 50,000. Okay, can you able to try this one? and see the difference between the the previous example and this example, because we have used various different type of different method to declare the variable. Hello, hello, hello.